this was pretty quiet for us, but you hear the noise in the background? Yeah, this is not your ideal place to camp. It's okay for an overnight, but not if you're wanting to stay for a couple of days. Too noisy. Semis in and out, and loud people. Yeah, it was great when we got here yesterday. We were the only ones here. This morning, not so much. About 8 o'clock last night, all these people started pouring in here. Excuse me. And they talked that loud the whole time, too. So, not too bad. Not too bad.
There's some trash.
You got anything to say about this place?
Noisy. for a recreation area.
Yeah,
we didn't. Semi trucks and everything. We didn't know that.
Yeah, we didn't know about the semi trucks. That was crazy. Anyway, down the road we go. It's nice and breezy this morning too. It's like, what? Let me see what the temperature is. It's 58 degrees and a little breezy. That's okay. We have blue skies. I'm excited for that. Woohoo! So much easier and nicer to travel when you have gorgeous weather. Wow.
Cool.
What is it now?
The valve shut. I didn't know it.
For the black tank.
It came loose. So, what do you do?
You fix it.
Yep.
Wow.
What we're fixing to do.
And y'all,
leaking right there. So that band must be loose. Okay. I have my flashlight. Let's see.
and it smells kind of pissy, y'all.
Yeah, it's pissy.
What the situation is.
Sometimes things happen you have no control over. So we started smelling a urine smell. We thought it's where we parked one night. So
we are in Alaska.
Yeah, and well, sometimes finding a place where you can do something is kind of hard to do. And so here, as you can see, I have one of the panels for the underneath drop down because we kept smelling a urine smell. So what it was is a while back the black tank valve wouldn't operate properly. Now I know why, because it was jammed shut. It would slide, but it wouldn't open. I was thinking it was opening. So
everything jiggled.
Yeah, jiggled loose. The lock pin on it jiggled loose.
Remember, this is a RV that it's used. It's 2004. So
but
other owners.
That's the valve I replaced with a new handle and everything.
Yeah, but everything jiggling out of the
everything's
back
been loose this whole
black
way.
tank.
It's been the roads have been so rough and so much vibration from the highways. And, you know, here we've covered 4,000, 5,000 miles. And even the screws in my generator for the panel cover vibrated out. So anything you can see, checking the lugs. My friend Daryl, he was going back to home to the U.S. His front wheel light came off because of vibration. And we don't think that the people that put the tires on torqued it down properly. Because I've been checking my torques and they've been fine. So torques, you got to be right. You want to make sure those are right before you hit the road. But other than that, this right here, the smell was permeating up into our bedroom. And now we know why, because it was leaking right around the valve, the clamp that goes into the tank. And the tank was really full, putting a lot of pressure on everything. So it filled the black tank, the 100-gallon black tank filled up. We've been carrying it around Alaska with us. I thought when we drained it off, we drained the black tank when we go drain.
Yeah.
But that wasn't the case. So that slide in there came loose, and I didn't know it wasn't operating the valve. So now I know that. So that's something you got to check.
Well,
that's the way it
I hate
goes.
to put it this way, but if you want your poop to get out of the black tank,
Make sure
ride down a bumpy road.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come to Alaska, y'all.
We were carrying around an extra 800 or so pounds.
Whew. That's a lot. Okay. Well, he's going to clean it up and we'll be going down the road. Back on the Cassiar highway, the roller coaster highway. Woohoo! Wow.
We just passed Charlie's Chief Creek. Charlie Chief.
Uh-huh.
Well, Indian names up here. I like it. Pretty cool.
A little bumpy, y'all. Yep, we feel like we're in the backwoods of Kentucky.
Or North Carolina.
Yeah.
Anywhere, really.
It's pretty though. Wow, so green.
Off by the lake there.
Oh, nice.
Like a beaver dam out there. Sure enough. Beaver hut.
I'm not sure they have a pull off here, babe.
I don't want to see that little piece of one back there where they had that. Not ain't hardly big enough for us. It's called Mud Lake.
Mud Lake.
It's funny how it goes in a circle.
The road just goes around it.
Yeah,
It's brown and icky too. Ugh.
it's pretty shallow.